Next exercise 7, question number 1. Simplify these fractions. When you look at, you can see that denominator 3 common x common. You can take this one now. This is going to be x cube, and this is going to be 7, 7, and this is going to be 3x. So 3x to 3x cancel out. X cube minus 7. B. Part B, this is two quadratic equation. The first effect is to factorize. Yeah, so we can factorize this one, and this is going to be x minus 6, x minus 1. So you can, this is look like a, b, a, c, a to a cancel out, b and c going to be remain. So x minus cancel out, x plus 4 over x minus 1 and c. So we'll try to factorize. This is the sum. Yes, 2x minus 1, x plus 4 you can factorize, then 2x plus 1, x plus 4 you can factorize. This is cancel out, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1. So question number 2 is a division. So 3x square divided by x, 3x cube, actually this has to be cube divided by x, 3x square. So this is going to be 3x square. So 3x square, 3x cube when you multiply by back, plus 4, 4 times 3, 12, x square. And we minus those two, this is going to be 0. So we'll bring this one 5x and plus 20 together. And now how many 5x goes into 5x? 5x divided by x cancel out is going to be plus 5. It means 5x times 5x, and this is going to be 20. So when you minus, this answer is 0, no remainder. So you can write the answer 3x cubed plus 12x square plus 5x plus 20. You can write the divisor x plus 4 and quotient 3x square plus 5 and no remainder. If you want, you can bring this one down and keep this answer as well. That is also fine. Right? 10 divided by 2 is 5. Same as this. Question number 3, we have to simplify. We have to, there's a division. So this is going to be 2x square. This is going to be 2x square times x, 2x cube. And this is going to be plus 2x square. And when you minus, this is cancel out. And this is going to be minus 2x square. And I'll bring this one down 3x. And this is going to be minus 2x. Then minus 2x square. Minus 2x. When you minus those two together, this is going to be 5x, and I'll bring 5 down, and this is going to be 5. 5x plus 5. When you minus, answer is 0. So 2x square minus 2x, 2x cube plus 3x plus 5 equal x plus 1 times 2x square minus 2x plus 5 plus 0. Um, Question number 4. We want to show that x minus 3 is a factor. X minus 3 is a factor of this one. So we can use the factor theorem. I'll take this is fx. Then x minus 3 equals 0, x equals 3. I'll substitute 3. Then t 2 3 cube plus 2 2 square minus 17 times, so 3 3 plus 15. This is 27. 27 times 2 54 minus 3 square 9 times 18. This is 51 and plus 15. This is equal 0. Hence x3 is root and x minus 3 is a factor. So we show that x minus 3 is a factor. Also, second method is we have to divide this one by x minus 3, and we want to show that the remainder is 0 and still it is a factor. That is the second way you can show. However, we are going to do this to find the other part. Now I'm going to divide by x minus 3. I know already remainder is going to be a 0 because it's a factor. So this is going to be 2x square, then 2x cube minus 6x square. So this is going to be 4x square minus 17x. Then this is going to be, like, take 4x, then this is going to be 4x square minus 12x. Then when you minus this one together, this is going to be minus 5x plus 15. Then this is going to be minus 5, and this is minus 5x plus 15, and remainder is 0. We know remainder is going to be 0 because x minus 3 is a factor. Now we can write x 2x cube minus 2x square minus 17x plus 15 equal x minus 3 times 2x square plus 4x minus 5. Now this is x minus 3 times ax square plus bx plus c. Now a is 2, b equal 4, and c is minus 5. So we need to show that x minus 2 is a factor. It means x minus 2 equals 0, x equal 2, I have to substitute. So I will take fx from the factor theorem. So f3 equal 3 cube plus 4 3 square minus 3 times 3 minus 18. So sorry, it is 2 has to be f2 because x minus 2 is a factor. So x equal to, then I have to substitute. So f2 equal 2 cube 4 2 square minus 3 2 minus 18 8 4 16 minus 6 minus 18. So this is going to be definitely 0. Hence x equal to is a root and x minus 2 is a factor. Now this is going to be x square. X square times this is x cube minus 2x square. And then this is going to be 6 x square minus 3x. Then this is going to be 6x. This is going to be 6x square minus 12x. And then this is going to be plus 9x minus 18 when you minus. So this is going to be plus 9. 9 times x, 9x. 9 times 2, 18. Plus times minus minus. And minus these two. This is going to be 0. Now you can see that x cubed plus 4x square minus 3 minus 18 equal x minus 2 x square plus 6x plus 9. Now they want in this form px plus q square form. It means this is 3 terms, this is 2 terms, and also this is a square. It means I'm guessing we can write this term in this way with the square. So I can rewrite this one. X minus 2 is, what is this one? X plus 3 is square. It means x minus 2 times px plus q square. P equal 1 and q equal 3. If you want to factorize and if you are not sure, so take this one as fx equal x square plus 6x plus 9. Then try numbers, and then when you substitute minus 3, f minus 3, this is become minus 3 square 6 minus 3 plus 9, which is minus 9 minus 18 plus 9 minus, yeah, minus 3 square, which is plus 9, which is equal to 0. Then x minus 3 is a factor. Then you can divide this one, x square plus 6x plus 9 divide x plus 3. Then this is going to be x times x square plus 3x. Then when you minus those two, this is going to be 6x plus 9. Then this is going to be plus 3. So 3 times x, 6x plus 9. So this is going to be 0. Hence x plus 3 and x plus 3. Right? X plus 3 square you can find. Or the other method is you can simply factorize if you. So x square plus 6x plus 9. So when you add those two together, you want to get 9. When you add those two numbers, you want to get plus 6. Then 9 you can write 3 one factors of 9, 1, 3 and 9. So this is going to be 3 times 3. So x plus 3x plus 3x, x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. So when you take x, this is going to be x plus 3, this you take plus 3, this is going to be x plus 3. When you take x plus 3 from both sides, it's going to be x plus 3. So you can work like this or you can work like this. Question number 6, we have to factorize this one. I will take this is fx. Now I have to change some, check some numbers. 0 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3. Usually within these numbers you should get an answer. If it is 0, this is going to be 0, 8. If it is 1, this is 2. If 1 is going to be, okay, I will check. If 0 is, this is 0, 0, 8. Not equal to 0. F1 2 plus 3 minus 18 plus 8 not equal to 0. I can see that. And minus 1, this is going to be minus 2 plus 3 minus plus 18 plus 8. Yeah, not equal to 0. Then 2, 2 cube plus 3 2 square minus 18 times 2 plus 8. So 2 cube 8 times 16. This is 2 square 4 times 3 12 minus 36. 18 times 2, and this is going to be 8. So 12 plus 18, 20, 36. Yeah, plus 36 minus 36 equals 0. So x equal to is the answer. So x equal to is a root and x minus 2 is a factor. Now we found out one root now. Do you think that you can write these terms? Now I know x minus 2 is a factor. What is the possible is behind? You can write here. So this is x here. Then it has, you should have x square. If you have a square, then you have to write the other one, bx plus c, 2 1 0, which is constant. Right now in here we want to find a b c. So we can find this one by dividing x minus 2 this equation. So we'll do it. Now this is going to be 2x square. This is going to be 2x cube. This is going to be 4. 2 times 4 x square. Then when you minus this one, 3 minus minus 4 plus 7x square minus 18. I bring this one down, 18x, and then this is plus 7x. So 7x square minus 14x. When minus this one, this is going to be minus 4x. I'll bring this one down. This is going to be minus 4 minus 4x plus 8 equal 0. Now a equal to b equal 7, c equal minus 4. Now this is x minus this fx equal x minus 2 times 2x square plus 7x minus 4. Now I'm not sure this is going to be bracket out as well. When I look at this one, I can see that minus 4 minus 8 is 2x square minus 8. I can write in terms of 8 times 1 plus 8x minus x minus 4. So from here, when I take 2x out, this is going to be x plus 4. When I take minus out here, this is going to be x plus 4. So then it is going to be x plus 4 is common here. When you take x plus 4 out, this is going to be 2x minus 1. So this is equal to x minus 2, 2x minus 1 times x plus 4. If you don't know this system, what you could do, you can do trial and error. So like the same way, fx equal now, okay, I'll take gx. This is fx. 2x square plus 7x minus 4. When you put g equal minus 4, 2 minus 4 square plus 7 7 minus 4 equals 0. Now 2x square plus 7x minus 4 divided by x minus 4. This is going to be 2x square minus 8x. This is going to be uh, sorry x equal minus 4 is a x equal minus 4 is a factor. It means sorry root. So x plus 4 is a root, not x minus 4. I'm dividing with the wrong one. So it has to be x plus 4 because minus 4 value will give the 0. So x equal minus 4 give the 0. Then x plus 4 equals 0. It means x plus 4 is a factor. So now still this is 2x square. This is going to be 8x. Then when you minus, this is going to be minus x and minus 4. It's going to be minus 1 minus x minus 4 0. So x plus 4 times 2x minus 1. I know this is lengthy, but for your knowledge I am doing. Question number 8. F minus 3 is 0. So when you substitute minus 3, it becomes 0. So we know that x equal minus 3 is a root and x plus 3 equal x plus 3 is a factor. So having this knowledge, we will still substitute because we don't know this is p and q. So I substitute f minus 3 equal 2 minus 3 square plus p times minus 3 plus q. And this value has to be equal to 0. So then as f minus 3 equals 0. Right, so then this is going to be minus 3 square 9, 18 minus 3p plus q equal 0. Then minus 3p plus q equal minus 18. Two unknowns, we have only one equation, we need two equations to solve. Now other one is given f, when you substitute f4, the answer remainder is 21. Now we'll insert x equal 4 to this one. Now this is not a x equal 4 is not a root and x minus 4 is not a factor. Why? Because it's not equal to 0. So now f4 equal 2 times 4 square plus p times 4 plus q equal, this value is going to be 21 as f4 equal 21. In other way, f4 equal 21. What is f4 mean? This is going to be 16 times 32 plus 4p plus q. 32 plus 4p plus q equal 21. 4p plus q equal 21 minus 32. So 32 minus, so minus 11. We'll work again. So this is going to be 32 plus 4p plus q equal 21. Then 4p plus q equal 21 minus 32. 4p plus q equal minus 11. Now this is 1 and this is 2. What I'm going to do, I can see plus q here. So I'll multiply by minus. Minus p minus q equal 11. So I'll take this is as 3. Now I will add 1 plus 3. Why I this? Because I can see plus q here. Now minus q, when we add those two together, it will cancel out. So minus 3p plus q on this one, plus minus 4p minus q equal minus 18 plus 11. So this is going to be minus 7, and this is going to be minus 3p plus q minus 4p plus minus q. So this is cancel out minus q. Minus 7p equal minus 7. P equal 1. Then from 1, minus 3p plus q equal minus 18, p equal 1. It means this is 3 times 1 is minus 3 plus q equal minus 18. Q equal minus 18 plus 3, q equal minus 15. Now we can write this one 2x square, p mean 1, 1x, and q mean minus 15. Now we know the fx. Now we want to fully factorize this one. We know that x plus 3 is a factor of this one. Now we found out the equation. We know x plus 3 is a factor. 2x square plus x minus 5 divided by x plus 3. Or you can work the normal factorization, bracket out, but I am going to do this one. So this is going to be 2x square plus 6x. When you minus those two, this is going to be minus 5x, and I bring this down, minus 15. So this is going to be minus 5, minus 5x minus 15 is going to be 0. So the answer is x plus 3 times, this is the divisor, and the 2x minus 5 is the quotient. Or you can work out this way, 2x square plus x minus 15. So when you multiply by two numbers, you want to get minus 30. 15 times 2, 30. When you add those two numbers, you want to get 1. So what are the two numbers? 30 I can break, 6 times 5, 30, and plus 6 minus 5. So 2x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 15. This is 2x x plus 3 and minus 5x plus 3. X plus 3 is common from both. So this is going to be 2x minus 5. Still you can do it. Question number 9. There are two numbers, minus 1 and 2. Which one is the factor? The factor is, which one is the root? That's a good question, not the factor. Which one is the root here? Minus 1 or 2? The root is going to be minus 1, because the answer is going to be 0, because this is x values and this is y values. When x equal minus 1, y value is 0. So hence x equal minus 1 is a root. Hence x plus 1 is a factor. So this is 30. It's not a root or factor. Now I will substitute to minus 1 here. And I'll make equal to 0. So minus 1 square plus 4 times minus 1 square. Let me check. So this is x cube. So minus 1 cube. 4 minus 1 square plus 4 times minus 1 plus x equals 0, as h minus 1 equals 0. Then this is going to be -1 plus 4 minus r plus s equal 0. This is going to be plus 3, to other side minus 3, minus r plus is minus 3. This is equation 1. Now H2 equal 30. When you substitute 2, your answer should be 30. Then 2 cube plus 4 2 square plus 4 times 2 plus s, and your answer should be 30. So this is 8, 2 square for 16, plus this is not 4x, this is rx, and this is x. 2r plus s equal 30. This is going to be 24 plus 2r plus s equal 30. 2r plus s equal 6. When I take the other side, this is 2. Now I can see this is positive plus s. I am going to make negative s. So minus 2r minus s equal minus 6. I multiply by minus everything. So then this is going to be 2. Now I'll add those two, 1 plus 2. So 1 right left side is minus r plus s. Then now you want to add minus 2r minus s equal minus 3 plus minus 6. So minus r plus s minus 2r minus s equal minus 9. So minus s plus s cancel out. Minus 3 equal minus 9, r equal 3. Now r equal 3, s equal, then from 1 minus r plus s equal minus 3, r equal 3, so minus 3 plus s equal minus 3, minus 3 to cancel out, s equal 0. Now this is going to be x cube plus 4x square. R value is, this is 3x plus s equals 0. Now we found out what is hx. Now I can see that I can take x is common here. X, when I take x square plus 4x plus 3. Now x times, I know minus 1, so x plus 1 should be a factor. X plus 1 should be a factor because x equal minus 1. X plus 1 is a factor, so then this has to be x plus 3. So yeah, it works fully factorized. I'm not sure if I did question number 7, so I'm going to quickly do it. Fx equal x cube minus 3 x square plus kx minus 10. So x minus 2 is a factor. It means x equal to is a root. It means if you, when you put x equal to, this expression has to be 0. So then f2 equal 2 cube minus 3 2 square 2k minus 18. So this has to be equal to 0. So 8 minus, this is going to be 2 square 4 minus 12 plus 2k minus 18 equal 0. This is going to be minus 18 minus 20 minus 30 plus 8 minus 28. 2k minus 28 equals 0. 2k equal 28. K equal 14. Uh, so this not, value is not 18, this is 10. So minus 10. So then this is going to be 14. So 2k equal 14 divided by 2k equal 7. So the expression is the 7x minus 7 fx equal. So this is the equation. Question number 10, we have to factorize. So we have to follow, we don't know what are the factors. So we have to do a trial and error checking. So 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, like that. So G0 is minus 5, not equal to 0, not a root. G1, 2 plus 9 minus 6 minus 5. It's not it's a root. Plus 11 minus 11 equal 0, right? X equal 1 is a root. It means x minus 1 is a factor. So x equal minus 1 is a root. X minus 1 is a factor. So we'll divide this one now. Sorry, I think x equal 1 is a root. It means x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1, 2, x square, 2x cube minus 2x square. Then we have to minus. This is 11x square. I'll bring down minus x. This is going to be plus 11x. So this is going to be 11x square minus 11x. This is going to be plus 5x minus 5. And this is going to be plus 5. And 5x minus 5 equals 0. So fx equal x minus 1 times 2x square plus 11x plus 5, and x minus 1 times, we have to factorize this, and this is going to be 2x plus 1 and x plus 5, and now we fully factorize fx. Now we want to find fx equals 0. Solution part B. So x minus 1, 2x plus 1 and x plus 5 equals 0, x equal 1, or x equal minus half, or x equal minus 5. So question number 11, we want to show that x minus 2 is a factor. It means x equal 2 is a root. So if x equal to a root, f2 has to be equal to 0. We know that when 2 is a root, y value has to be 0. If 2 mean y value here. So now we want to show that. So we'll substitute and show that x minus 2 is a root. It means x minus 2, x equal to is a root, then x minus 2 is a factor. 2 cube plus 2 square minus 5 times 2 minus 2. 8 plus 4 minus 10 minus 2 plus 12 minus 12 equals 0. Hence x equal to is a root and x minus 2 is a factor. Now we need to factorize. It means we have to start dividing this one by x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 2, we have to start divide by x minus 2. It means this is x square. This is going to be x cube minus 2x square. Then we'll minus 3x square minus 5x. I'll bring down minus 5x. Then plus 3x. Then this is going to be 3x square minus 6x. This is going to be x, and bring minus 2 down. Then that is going to be plus 1. So x minus 2, remainder is 0. Now we can write fx is x minus 2 times x square plus 3x plus 1. Now see whether you can easily bracket out, otherwise we have to leave as it is. We can't bracket out this one. Somehow we want to find solution fx equals 0, then x minus 2 times x square plus 3x plus 1 equals 0, then x minus 2 equals 0, or x square plus 3x plus 1 equal 0, then x equal 2, or x square plus 3x plus 1 equal 0. Now I can see this is b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Then I have to use the formula x equal, so a equal 1, b equal 3, c equal 1, minus b minus 3 plus, so minus b square mean 3 square 9 minus 4 times 1 times 1 times c is 1 again, divided by 2 times 1, so minus 3 plus, so minus 9 minus 5 square root 5 over 2. So two answers, x equal minus 3 plus square root 5 over 2, and x equal minus 3 minus square root 5 over 2. So those are this is one root, the second root, and the third root. Question number 12. Given that x equal minus 1 is a root, then f minus 1 has to be, y value has to be, x value is minus 1, then its y value has to be 0. We know at a root, that is, did I work on this? In here now we don't need to show this is a root, it's a factor, because then x minus is a root, hence x plus 1 is a factor. We can straight away working on this one now. 2x cubed yx square minus 4x plus 3 divided by x plus 1. Then this is 2x square. This is going to be 2x cubed minus 2x square. This is going to be minus 3x square minus 4x. I bring down 4x minus 3x square minus 3x. This is going to be minus x. This one is going to be plus 3. This has to be plus 2, because 2 times 2, this is going to be minus 7. Then this is going to be minus 7. Then minus 7x square minus 7x. So this is going to be plus 3x plus 3. Right, then this is going to be plus 3. Then 3 times 3x plus 3 minus 0. Now 2x square minus 5x, 2x cube, 2x cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 3 equal x plus 1 times 2x square minus 7x plus 3, and x plus times this is I can bracket out 2x minus 1 and x minus 3. So fx equal uh, x plus 1, x minus 3, 2x minus 1. Then solution fx equals 0. X plus 1 times x minus 3 times 2x minus 1 equals 0. X equal minus 1 or x equal 3 or x equal half.